Thank you for choosing the iSpring Whole House Water Filtration System. This video will guide you through the proper installation and filter replacement procedures of your new system. Please follow along carefully to ensure a successful setup. Before we begin, please carefully read the pre-installation requirements and product specifications in the user manual to understand your system's technical aspects, limitations, and installation guidelines. Ensure all parts are included in your package and have all the required tools ready. Our system comes in 1-inch inlet and outlet ports. Convert fittings may be needed if you have a different size fitting. Please note that different settings require different connecting setups. In this video, we will demonstrate with push-fit connectors. A water router bypass is recommended to ease future filter replacement and system maintenance. Contact us if you have any questions. System assembly. When unpacking the system, take note of the position of each filter cartridge. Remove and unwrap the 3 filter cartridges. Remove the protective filter inserts from inside the filter housings and properly discard them. Step 1. Fully insert the 3 filter cartridges into their corresponding housings. Use the included silicone packet to lubricate the O-ring on each filter housing. Make sure each O-ring is properly seated in its groove. Step 2. Install the filter housing cap onto each housing and tighten until the logo on the cap is level. Use the included filter housing wrench or a flathead screwdriver to ensure a secure seal. Step 3. Place 2 O-rings onto the feed water adapter and apply silicone lubricant. Install the drain valve into the feed water adapter, then insert the locking C-clip to secure it. Make sure the valve remains in the closed position. Step 4. Insert the feed water adapter into the system's inlet port. Make sure the feed water adapter is seated flush. Then, insert the locking clip to secure it. Step 5. Insert the elbow fitting on the system into the feed water adapter. Then, insert the 1/4-inch locking C-clip onto the elbow fitting to secure the connection. Step 6. Place 2 O-rings onto the outlet union adapter and apply silicone lubricant. Insert the adapter into the system's outlet port. Make sure the outlet union adapter is seated flush. Then, insert the locking clip to secure it. Installation. Step 1. Determine the installation location and verify the correct water flow direction for the system. Make sure there is adequate space around the system for future filter replacement and maintenance. Shut off the main water supply and open the nearest faucet to drain water from the pipe and release any pressure. Step 2. Measure and cut the section of the main water line where the system will be installed. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 3. Position the system and connect it to the pipeline. Insert the 3/8-inch drain tube approximately 1/2 inch into the drain valve. Route and secure the drain tube to a drain, if applicable. Step 4. Slowly turn on the main water supply valve to allow the filtration system to fill with water. Carefully check all connections for leaks. If a leak is detected, immediately shut off the main water supply and correct the issue before proceeding. Step 5. Open the nearest faucet and let the water run for about 10 minutes or until the water runs clear to flush out debris and loose filter media. Turn off the faucet when finished. The installation is now complete. Filter replacement. The system requires scheduled maintenance and filter replacement to maintain water quality and system performance. Replace the filters according to the manufacturer's recommended schedule or as needed, depending on your feed water quality and usage. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply. Then, open the drain valve to drain the system and release pressure from the pipeline. Use a bucket to catch water if a nearby drain is not available. Step 2. Unscrew the filter housing caps using the included housing wrench. Remove and discard the expired filter cartridges. Clean each housing and housing cap with a sponge or soft cloth. Step 3. Unwrap the new filters. Fully insert each filter cartridge into its corresponding housing. Lubricate the O-ring on each filter housing and make sure each O-ring is properly seated in its groove to help prevent leaks. Step 4. Install the filter housing cap onto each housing and tighten until the logo on the cap is level. Use the included filter housing wrench or a flathead screwdriver to ensure a secure seal. Step 5. Close the drain valve. Then, slowly turn on the main water supply valve to allow the filtration system to fill with water. Carefully check all connections for leaks. If a leak is detected, immediately shut off the main water supply and correct the issue before proceeding. Step 6. Open the nearest faucet and let the water run for about 10 minutes, or until the water runs clear, to flush out debris and loose filter media. Turn off the faucet when finished. Filter replacement is now complete. Congratulations! Your iSpring whole house water filtration system is now ready for use. Replace the filters according to the recommended schedule. Refer to the user manual or contact iSpring customer support if you have any questions. Thank you.